Informed Consent and Therapeutic Misconception – What Participants Need to Know. The Working Package 2, as well as the team of the TTV Guide TX project, founded by the European Union, is convinced of the importance of informing you fully and clearly of your rights and agreements along the study. In this video, created by researchers from the University of Granada, the TTV Guide TX team responsible for the ethical and legal aspect of the project, we want to address usual ethical challenges of clinical trials. What is the TTV Guide study about? Participants in the study will be divided into two groups. Both groups will receive the standard immunosuppressive drug, the same medication, but at different doses. One of the groups, called control group, will receive the standard usual dose, while the other group, called experimental group, will receive an experimental personalized dose. This process is necessary to evaluate and demonstrate the safety and efficacy of the personalized adjustment of the dose of immunosuppressive drugs. What would it mean for you to participate in this study? If you agree to participate, you will be randomly assigned to one of these two groups. This means that you will not know whether you are in the control group or the experimental group. Importantly, at this point of the study, doctors do not know what dose of the immunosuppressive drug from the usual or the personalized one is the most beneficial for you. Caution! Here comes a possible misconception. You will not be assigned to a group based on what is best for you personally. The assignment will always be random. In the case you will be assigned to the control group, you will continue to receive the usual treatment. This is not the only possible misconception. Let us see others. It is not true that novel interventions are always better than standard available treatments. In particular, in our study, it is unknown whether patients, you, will do better by receiving the standard dose of immunosuppressive drug or the experimental one. The main aim of this clinical trial is to answer this question. What would your participation in this study mean for future patients? Your participation would contribute to advancing medical knowledge and could help doctors improve future treatments for transplanted patients. More questions. What is informed consent? Informed consent is crucial in research. Its goal is to ensure your respect and protection. As a potential participant in a research study, you will be given a participant information sheet with detailed information about all aspects of the study that are relevant and significant for you in order to make an informed decision. Do not hesitate to ask any question and to raise any doubts you might have to the clinician researcher who will inform you. It is very important that you understand the information provided before making a decision. It is also very important that you feel free to accept or decline without any pressure or fear. You have no obligation or duty whatsoever to participate, and there will be no consequences for you if you don't. Just let the clinician researcher know your decision. Eventually, after reading and understanding the information, if you agree to participate in the study, you will be asked to sign a consent form to enter the research. Is informed consent completed when you sign the informed consent form? No. Informed consent is a process which does not end when you sign the form. You can continue asking questions and reconsider your decision at any time. You have the right to receive answers about your health, your participation in the study, and the medication you receive. Informed consent is the process of understanding all aspects of the research study which are significant for the potential participant, you, to make a decision. The process of deciding freely, without undue influence or pressures. Is it possible to withdraw consent after signing the form? Yes, all participants have the right to withdraw at any time during the study without any cost or prejudice. Signing a consent form before starting the research does not mean that you are committed to participate till the end. If you decide to withdraw from the trial, please communicate your decision to the clinician researcher at your center. In any case, you will always have the right to receive standard treatment. Well, this is all. We hope it was useful to you. Remember that there is a second video where we introduce you to the ELSI research study on the ethical, legal and social implications of the TTV Guide TX projects. If you have further doubts about your participation in the project, ask the team. Bye!